So this is the SoNIC summer workshop program. These students are underrepresented students from all over the country, and the goal is to bring them all together for this week-long workshop while getting them excited about this robotics and assistive technology.
I definitely felt that it was interesting because I've never done anything like this. I've never been in the midst of so many people with a similar interest.
For me, my main objective here is getting a little bit more experience in research, how things kind of operate within computer science, and honestly kind of get a little bit of a glimpse into what robotics research really is like.
So the goal for the students here, they come with no robotics background, but by the end of the workshop, they will have built an assistive smart cane for the visually impaired. They will actually have a demonstration where they will be blindfolded, and the students will have a smart cane which will sense the environment using different sensors that are there, and then automatically come up with what path the person should take to avoid the obstacles while going from start to the goal. So during the entire workshop, they not only learn the theory behind these algorithms, but they also learn to apply these algorithms with real hardware.
They make it really easy throughout the whole program for people to get to know each other, be comfortable with each other. So I know I'm comfortable and I can do what I want to do.
I feel like a lot of us coming out of COVID have lost stamina. So finding that passion again and oh, okay, I got it. I'm gonna do this. And you start to become, hungry for it. So it's just really cool.
I mean, ultimately it's just a 5-day workshop, but they get a taste of how all of these things come together to build a robot. So that hopefully this will spark some interest in them to actually pursue higher studies or graduate school in this area and be excited about it.